13 correction. Charge that. 202. Sorry, I forgot. 1300 mix. He's going south. It's a 202 Intermodal. Sound like you didn't say you went on. Oh shit.
Yes.
I agree.
You got my answer on that one, yes. I'm dubbing the Penn Central Sir Chips-a-Lot.
Yeah.
I mean, that one's chipped up pretty good.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out where 211 is. I know it's close, but I don't know how close he is.
Should be getting ready to go through Greencastle.
Yeah. That question is, will we head down to CSX line for a little bit or stay here?
Who are we got coming on CSX?
135, 371.
Yeah, one. Yeah, we can go down there for a little bit. I mean, really, we got 13R coming.
Yeah, he's
he's got to do yard work.
Yeah. So, and also we got MAT coming up, but he's still a ways down.
Right, he's still in Shenandoah Yard. Or out of Shenandoah Yard, I should say.
So he's still, what, about 2 hours?
Give or take.
Yeah, so it's 9:35 now, so.